Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to remove lock from apps on iPhone. Now there are basically two ways you can do this depending on your iOS version and the way the app was actually locked. So usually if you try to open up a locked application on your iPhone, you would automatically be required to enter your passcode, as you can see from over here, and once you enter your passcode you should be able to access the application. However, if you want to remove the app lock option, for the first method, all you just have to do is to long press on that particular application and you're going to see the option to not require passcode option just over here on your iPhone. Just the same way we have the require Face ID option. One of the options you're going to see is to not require a passcode option. This is usually the case in iOS 18. So all you just have to do is to select that option and automatically your passcode will no longer be required to access that particular application. So you have to do it for every application. Another method you can use to do this is to use the shortcut application, especially if you locked the application using shortcut. So you want to go over to the shortcuts app over here, go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, lock screen is currently activated. What you want to do is to just long press on it and you're going to see the delete option. Go ahead and delete that and you're good to go. So click on delete shortcuts and you're good to go. Now if you proceed to open up any of the locked application again, you're going to see now that you're not required to enter your passcode one more time. Now that is basically how to remove lock from apps on your iPhone. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful, guys.